Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have here an interview with the smallest investor ever in the market. What's your name?
My name is John Huddleston.
John, can you tell please to the crowd that is going to listen to this interview, what is the size of your account?
It's about $800 that I started with.
$800. $800?
Yes.
$800, all right. And you are not a subscriber to the service?
No.
Okay.
I only read the blog.
You never paid anything to the company, correct?
No, not a customer.
Okay, did we prepare this interview?
No, not at all.
All right, so, well, I don't have time. Well, we are going to start. I'm going to make you some questions. Obviously, I think that most people, they will be interested. How did you know about us? Since we, quite frankly, never made any marketing for the past 30 years. How did you find out about the company?
Oh, well, I think like a lot of other people that are interested in trading and investing, I would just be all over the web, on Google, looking at different websites, or on YouTube, watching videos, trying to find information about trading and investing. I just randomly came across one of your videos.
So it was on YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
All right. And what did you see on YouTube that made you, comparing to others, or what made you stick to visiting the website and then to play some trades according to the information that you saw on the blog of the company?
Yeah, well, honestly, I didn't know what to think at first. You were making claims of 100% accuracy, and I thought that was kind of crazy. It was clear you weren't making a sales pitch. And when I checked the information, because it was an older video, and when I looked back at the charts and what had happened since then, I saw that you were correct, and I started watching more of the videos and realizing that it really was about 100% accuracy. So I started following the blog in real time, and then I realized that there really was no trick, that you were actually making these calls ahead of big moves, catching tops and bottoms, and that just gave me confidence eventually to place trades. When recently you announced that Netflix and Ferrari were going to have blowout earnings.
So you bought Netflix and Ferrari?
Yeah.
All right, very good. And if it was not that article, you will not ever consider buying Netflix and Ferrari?
Oh, no. Nobody else is really talking about those companies.
Exactly. Well, unfortunately for us, but unfortunately that is precisely the case since IPO in Ferrari, where they have been all wrong about it. Everyone has been talking about Tesla, but Ferrari, it is by far better performer comparing to Tesla in 2017. And most people still in the world, investors, including professionals, they don't know about it. Anyway, as of today, Ferrari, for your reference, close that, and I know all these prices by heart, 105 and 70 cents, and Netflix, I'm not sure, because right now it does not constitute a priority or a top priority as it was the case before ahead of earnings, but might have been closing around $184 an hour or so. We can check this later on. Anyway, what else did you see different compared to others on the website? So you decided to make those trades, and have you had any loss whatsoever?
No.
No loss. So, John does not pay to the company, and he does not have losses. This is the perfect service.
Yeah, my account has not been down on any of your calls. I also invested in Hertz a little while back when it was on a little dip, and then, within a few days it was up several percent.
Well, John, I have to say this. I might be laughing, but I respect you very much. I do. All people that they visit the website, the company, and they feel interested about learning how to invest in the markets. Obviously, you will not have access to the same information as the subscribers, but nevertheless, I'm happy that you found some well interest and you learned something about some of these stocks and eventually some of the games played by Wall Street, because in the end you have so many articles and videos complementary. I'm pretty sure that you find a lot of information that might be useful to you. By the way, which is your dream? And John, what do you do for a living?
I am a student. I study geology.
Geology in the US.
Yes.
All right. Most customers, although I have some harsh comments with regards to Americans, most of our customers are Americans. So when I have these comments, in fact, they know me personally, and they know that I'm not like that. And so they know that often what I'm doing is to kind of, I'm not sure if the word in English is to spike them, you see, and or to motivate, but using methodology or methods that, well, they know what I'm referring to. Some of them, they need to be spanked, to demonstrate results, because some are quite lazy, you see. I have some stories that they are rather amazing. Yeah. But one of the things that, by the way, now that you refer to on YouTube, I have a customer, he has a company in Asia. And this guy, he told me, Alex, if you wish to have millions of followers on Twitter, on Facebook, because I'm doing it for Americans, and some celebrities, I can do it for you and for free. And my answer, it has been always the same, and in fact there are videos on the web about this. We do not buy followers. That is unethical, and we take it very seriously. Moreover, for us, social media is just a channel and nothing else. And today it is good that we have this on YouTube and these tools like Skype, that they are complementary. But there is also a lot of nonsense on social media, quite frankly. And most of this nonsense, it comes from people with some responsibilities in certain positions. So I don't know what else you like to hear to refer to, but again, my thank you to you as, non-subscriber, just a regular visitor to the blog of the company, the smallest investor in the world. We don't have any subscriber with this, obviously, with this size of this account. As a student, I wish that your studies, they go the best, and that you find, well, in the future, if possible, an account or some capital that allows you to invest seriously in the markets. Right now, my advice is to be careful before you invest in the markets, because I started 30 years ago or more, in fact more, and it's very hard to do it by yourself, okay? Alone, it is extraordinarily difficult. So I think that you should be aware of this. And also try to find people that you have as a reference in your life that can help you to evolve, because in the end our service or objective is not only about the trading or investing, but also to teach about other stuff that might eventually help people in their careers or their lives. Would you like to ask me some questions?
Well, firstly, I just want to say, yeah, thank you for providing, good information that's, free information that's more valuable than, most paid services, if not all paid services. And eventually, someday, yeah, I will hope to be a subscriber.
All
So I
right.
just want to say thank you.
All right. Thank you. We are going to terminate so the interview, and again also thank you to Dmitry. How did you find the support team? You have been exchanging probably some emails with him.
With Dimitri, yeah. No, Dimitri's great. He's replies quickly. He's honest, provides thorough answers.
All right, that's great. Okay, thank you. Bye.